Hello, good morning, or wherever it might be at your time you're watching this video. But anyways, I did a little modification on the Ford, and I should have done it a long time ago. I disconnected the neutral switch for the clutch, so now I don't have to. It was getting hard to start. I'd have to kick the clutch a couple times to try to get it to contact, and then it would start. But I decided to just disengage it so that I didn't have to push it. So for those of you who are wondering how you do that, you just pull the, you can't really see in there, but you just pull the connector off, and on this particular one it was the two bigger wires. You splice them together and then it starts. So we'll just turn the key on and push my glow plugs. And there you have it. No clutch start. Just make sure you always have it in neutral before you do that. So, anyways, it's kind of nice to just reach in there and start it and not have to get in and push the clutch. Anywho, thanks for watching.